How fast are app engine Db.Get keys and A.all keys underscore only equals true dot filter b equals b dot fetch 1000? A Db.Get of 50 keys seems to take me 5 to 6 seconds. Is that normal? What is the time a function of? I also did A.all keys underscore only equals true dot filter b equals b dot fetch 1000, where A.b is a reference property. I did 50 such round trips to the data store with different values of b, and the total time was only 3 to 4 seconds. How is this possible? Db.Get is done in parallel with only one trip to the data store, and I would think that looking up an entity by key is a faster operation than fetch. Here is the definition for my class A. Update. Okay, AppStat says datastore underscore v3.get real equals 2272 ms API equals 416 ms. I think what's happening is that I'm doing this Db.Get 50 keys right after a ton of other inefficient datastore calls in the same request handler, and it's just rate limiting me or something. Other times I've done the same Db.Get and it returned in 200 milliseconds, smiley face.
A Db.Get of 50 keys seems to take me 5 to 6 seconds. Is that normal? What is the time a function of? No, it should take a couple of 100 milliseconds. How are you timing it though? I also did A.all keys only equals true dot filter b equals b dot fetch 1000, where .b is a reference property. I did 50 such round trips to the data store with different values of b, and the total time was only 3 to 4 seconds. That's not unreasonable for 50 round trips. How is this possible? Db.Get is done in parallel with only one trip to the data store, and I would think that looking up an entity by key is a faster operation than fetch. It's an extremely odd result, and I think that there are likely confounding factors at work. As David suggests, you should use AppStats to discover where the time is going.
When fetching entities by key, query time should primarily be dependent on the size of your entities. The entities have to be transferred to you over the network and then decoded. Perhaps your entities are quite large? This might explain why your keys underscore only query is faster despite the fact it includes a filter and fetches many more results. You might consider using AppStats so you can see exactly why your request is taking so long. You could even post it along with your question.
Just